Introducing the revolutionary EBPQ 2000 and 2200 series 4K projectors from Epson. Covering a broad lumen range from 8,000 to 20,000 lumens, these powerful projectors create a stunning high-resolution display. Compact and efficient, the EBPQ projector series features the world's smallest and lightest 10,000 and 20,000 lumen 4K projectors. Epson 4K Crystal Motion technology allows you to fully realize 4K resolution on screen. Designed and manufactured by Epson, 4K Crystal Motion technology utilizes a high-accuracy 2-axis shift device and double micro-lens array to ensure an extremely sharp, crystal clear, and colorful image. For the PQ2200 series, Epson's panel thermocontrol technology helps maintain the optimal panel temperature to deliver a crisp picture. Paired with the high-resolution imagery is Epson's 3-chip 3LCD technology, providing bright, accurate colors for a truly immersive experience. With a high native contrast ratio that is a 50% improvement over the Epson EBPU series, experience deep blacks and an image with more depth and detail. For low latency and high frame rate content display, count on the new high-performance graphic chip and high-speed panel drive technology for exceptional performance. EBPQ 2200 series has an IP5X rated hermetically sealed optical engine for high dust resistance, plus a filterless cabinet and a liquid cooling system to ensure high reliability. All EBPQ projectors feature a virtually maintenance-free 20,000-hour laser light source for exceptional reliability. The EBPQ series projectors pair with a wide selection of existing Epson lenses, including an ultra-short-throw lens with unique zero-offset design for large images, even in low-ceiling environments. Streamline projector setup with the optional Pixeline camera. Unlock powerful features including stacking assist function, edge blending assist, color calibration, and screen matching. High-powered innovation. This is Epson EBPQ 2000 and 2200 series 4K projectors.